Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine just like I am. So thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. And if you are a new viewer, you're most welcome. Please remember to hit the subscription button and like the video, and trust me, you'll enjoy. So yeah, anyways guys, today we are somewhere called Posta here in Dar-es-salaam. So this is a Dala stopover. Dala is like public transport. Yeah, those mini buses you see over there are called Dala. So yeah, and those towers are the most high towers in the city. Yeah, so this is Posta guys. Otherwise, we are heading to the SGR, standard gauge railway station. So let's go and check it out guys. It's not even that far, we can just walk. So that Tanzanite shaped blue building you see over there, that's where we are going right now because that's the station. Yeah, let's just walk that one over there. I hope you can see, but that's where we are going, so hopefully you'll see it much more better when we get there. So currently Tanzania still uses the meter gauge railway system. Yeah, so this SGR project is a very big milestone for the country, since it will be using electric locomotives with that capability of carrying heavy loads at a very high speed of about 160 kilometers per hour. So that's amazing. Yeah, so that's the railway line guys, I hope you can see it. Yeah, that's electric railway line. I wish I would be able to get for you the upper views, that would be much more better, but I'm just sad I can't. But hopefully you can still see what I'm trying to show you guys. So that's the station. Let's enter in here and check it out very smoothly. So yeah, just look at how amazing it looks. So this station we are entering in right now, this is a stopover for the bus rapid transit, the BRT buses, because they'll be stopping over at this station here. Then yeah, that's it. Then over there, that's the SGR station. We cannot enter inside because it's not under operation as yet, so you can't be allowed to get in there unless otherwise. Yeah, so let's just check it out from outside here, and yeah, just enjoy the video guys, and don't forget to like it, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. So by the way guys, this project is 98% complete by now. I mean the first phase, because there are many phases. So the very first one is 98%, which is like 300 kilometers distance. Yeah, from Dar-es-salaam to Morogoro. So they are hoping to start the operation in the very end of this year, I think. So yeah, meanwhile there are 6 phases. The first one is 98% complete, the second one is 94% complete, and the others are still under construction. Yeah, so that's it. We are just waiting for the grand launch of the SGR system. Then yeah, otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching up to the very end. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.